everybody, welcome back to Watkins Homesteading. Maya here, and today we're going to be building raised garden beds. So we went to Lowe's and we bought the 2 by 8 foot boards. They're also 8 inches deep, and we have 3 of them. So we're going to build a 4 by 8 foot garden bed. One of the boards will cut in half, so we have our 2 4-foot ends, and then the other 2 will screw together to make our rectangular bed. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and measure here 4 feet to cut this one in half. Alright, using my straight edge. Make a perfect cut here. Right. All right, so we cut our board in half and we've got it kind of laid out here. So I made sure to get screws that are long enough. They're gonna go straight in the side here into each board. So I'll do that on all 4 corners and we'll be done. We'll have ourselves a garden bed. All right, so there you have it. Pretty basic, simple garden bed, 8 by 4 foot. We'll probably end up doing another one of these just because I have a lot of plans for what I want to grow. But as a starter bed, I think this is the perfect size. We really liked this size just because it's easy to reach from all sides of the bed. And yeah, we're gonna place it over next to our compost so that we have easy access to the compost. And stay tuned for our planning and planting and harvesting and much more to come. Thanks again for joining us, Watkins Homesteading. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video.
1, 2.
Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of Watkins Homesteading. Today we are going to be building raised garden beds. So we went ahead and went to Lowe's. We have 3 boards that are 8 feet by, you start over.